Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn how to use a sketch from your sketchbook as a template in Illustrator. On today's date on the calendar, you're going to get the fish template. Looks like this. Go ahead and save that to your desktop and open up Illustrator. All right, in Illustrator, I'm going to open up a brand new document, create new. I'll go ahead and use letter size, landscape orientation, and create. Okay, from here, I am going to place the file of the fish, my drawing. So if you have a drawing from your sketchbook, you can take a photograph of it and then place it in Illustrator as a template. I'm going to go to File, Place. File, Place. Now I'm going to search for that fish drawing from my desktop. And click Place. When you place a file, Illustrator understands that it is going to be a JPEG that you're going to use as a template. Now, right now I need to click with my mouse in order to set up the photo, and then I will go ahead and move it around until I'm happy with where it is. All right, next I'm going to go and lock this layer because I do not want to draw on the fish layer. So I'm going to go ahead and click that empty spot for lock. Next, I'm going to add a new layer. So I'm going to click on the Add New Layer button right there. And now from here, I can use this as a template to draw. So I can, get my shape tools and use my shape tools to fill this in, or I could get my pen tool, which I'm going to use my pen tool. All right, so from here, I can go ahead and start creating my character, my fish, by using this as a template. And when I am done with my artwork, I will delete this photo of the JPEG and be left with just my artwork. All right, so I have drawn around that and I'm going to fill in. All right, and from here I will keep going. Now notice that I am shape building in the sense that I'm using the pen tool, but I am going to continue to trace around this fin until I go all the way back to my original anchor so that I fill this in as a separate shape. So notice if I select it, it's its own shape, and I'm going to fill it in with a different color. Okay, now I made the body of the fish first, so this is laying on top, and I could leave it like that, or I could send this behind the body of the fish. Object, arrange, send to back. Okay. All right, and from here I would just keep adding. So maybe I will add the eyeball and continue shape building. Maybe I'll add a black eyeball for the pupil. And a little white circle to represent the highlight on the eye. All right, notice for that fin, I traced all the way back to the original anchor point to fill it in as its own shape. All right, and I might move that to back, object, arrange, send to back. Okay, and I'll keep going. The tail. Notice that I am converting my direction handles as I draw with the pen tool. And right now I've got the fill on, so it's automatically trying to fill. I'm going to go back to my original anchor point, click that. All right, now that's its own shape. Okay, and I could go back and get my white direct select arrow and go back and edit some of these paths, maybe smooth things out. All right, I'm going to go ahead and send this to back. Object arrange, send to back. Okay, from here, I don't need my template anymore. So I could, hide the template layer or even delete the template layer, which would help to get rid of too much data in the document. So I'm going to take that layer one and I'm going to drag it to the trash can. All right, and now that template's gone and I can focus on adding more details to my character. All right, so I'll continue to add maybe some interior details like scales and add a background.